Hey guys, today I'd like to show you how I make this really easy coffee scrub using 3 ingredients: coffee, 2 spoons of oil, any oil of your choice. I'm using vitamin E, and sugar. You just want to mix those ingredients to combine them together, and then of course apply. You want to rub that in for 3 to 4 minutes, leave for an additional 5 minutes, and then remove with a warm wet cloth. Wash my face after that, and there I go, exfoliated, bright, and less puffy face. Thank you so much for watching.